Is your Canon printer's error light blinking and preventing you from printing? In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you the most common causes and easy fixes.
A blinking error light usually means the printer has detected a problem, such as a paper jam, low or missing ink, an open cover, or a connection issue. First, inspect the printer for any paper jams. Remove any stuck paper slowly to avoid damaging the internal rollers. Next, check the ink cartridges. Make sure they're installed correctly, and replace any cartridge that's empty or not recognized. Restart the printer by turning it off, unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple reset often clears temporary errors. If the problem continues, check your printer connection and install the latest printer driver or firmware update from Canon. Different blinking patterns represent different errors. Count the number of flashes, as each pattern points to a specific issue in your printer.
If these steps solved your Canon printer problem, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more printer troubleshooting tips, and thanks for watching.